Hi friends, on continuation of chapter number 6, metallurgy. In this session we'll start with the extraction of some metals. How can we extract? Especially in this part we discuss blast furnace or extraction of iron. Iron is a main extracted from hematite and magnetite. The sulfide ore of iron pyrites, that is FeS2, is not used for the extraction of iron, since the presence of sulfur corrode the metal. The ore is concentrated by magnetic separation and then it is calcinated or the roasting to remove water to decompose carbonates. The ore is mixed with limestone, that is CaCO3, and coke and fed into this blast furnace from its top. Simultaneously, a blast of air is passed from this bottom of this furnace. Here, the oxide is reduced to metal. In presence of hot air blast, burning of this coke takes place and the temperature is raised to this 2200 Kelvin. The reaction is coke plus half O2, you get CO plus heat. The CO is used to reduce these oxides. The CO and the heat moves upper part of this furnace and combine with this iron oxide and reduce them to this iron. So basically in first step we get C plus half O2, you get CO. CO is best reducing reagent that reduces Fe2O3. Next reaction is 3 moles of Fe2O3 plus CO, you get 2 Fe3O4 plus CO2. Next step, this Fe3O4 when treated with further more amount of CO, you get purest form of Fe plus 4CO2. At higher temperature, the range of blast furnace, limestone is decomposed to CaO. It combined with silicate, impurity of this ore form slag. One marker question board में पूछा हुआ what actually means by slag और give this molecular formula of slag. MCQ में भी पूछा जाता है. So basically CaCO3, when you hit this component you get CaO plus CO2. Then this CaO when treated with SiO2, that is flux plus gang, you get slag, that is CaSiO3. This formula competitive में use किया हुआ है बहुत बार. That is, what is the chemical formula of slag? Our slag is made up from CaO plus SiO2, you get CaSiO3. The slag is in molten state and they separate out from iron. The iron obtained from this blast furnace is called pig iron. So initially जो first step पे iron निकलेगा, that is entered as a pig iron. Pig iron having lots of impurities like 4% of carbon, in smaller amount of impurity like sulfur, phosphorus, silicon and manganese. When this pig iron is melted with this scrap iron and coke in the presence of hot air blast, it converts into cast iron. So here in case in pig iron you have 4% carbon impurities plus this many metals are there in smaller quantity. But when you treat it with scrap iron in the presence of coke, it's converted into cast iron. अब cast iron में ये सारी की सारी metal impurities निकल जाएगी and you get only less than 3% of carbon. It is the extremely hard, brittle, and last purest form of iron is known as wrought iron, or the Mabel iron is the purest form of commercial iron. जो railway track बनते हैं वो wrought iron से बने होते हैं. It is prepared from this cast iron by this oxidizing the impurity in a reverberatory furnaces lined with this hematite. This hematite oxide converts C to CO. So finally 2Fe2O3 plus 3C, you get 2Fe plus 3O. Here in case hematite is added as a flux. So you get almost purest form of iron, that is called as wrought iron, by this reaction. Now pictorial diagram discuss करते हैं blast furnace का. So this is the pictorial diagram of blast furnace. Don't worry, you need not have to draw in your examination, but आपको पता होना चाहिए. So ऊपर से ore plus limestone plus coke यहाँ से इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं. इनिशियल ऊपर का टेम्परेचर होगा 700 केल्विन. नीचे जैसे जैसे आते जाओगे वो टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जाएगा एंड लास्ट में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2200 केल्विन यहां पे मिलेगा. देन दिस आर द फायर ब्रिक्स. स्पॉन्जी आयरन फॉर्म अप्रोक्सीमेटली 875. जो रिडक्शन हमने बताया था Fe2O3 प्लस CO, यू गेट Fe3O4 प्लस CO. The slag का इक्वेशन CaO plus CO2, then CaO plus SiO2, you get CaSiO2. Then reduction takes place. Iron melt dissolve. यहाँ पे सारी की सारी impurities निकल जाएगी. That is called pig iron. Pig iron के बाद बनेगा cast iron. Cast iron के बाद purest form of iron, that is called wrought iron यहाँ से निकलेगा. That is molten form of iron यहाँ से निकलेगा. Approximately 2200 Kelvin के आसपास molten iron is released from here, and slag is removed from here. So next we moved on to this flux, gangue and slag. The impurities present into this ore are called gangue. The gangue is removed during this extraction of this metal by adding some chemical substances called flux. So 2-1 marker question यहाँ पे हो गया. That is what actually means by gangue, what actually means by flux. The gangue is removed during this extraction of this metal by adding some chemical constituent that is called as flux. The flux combined with gangue to form easily fusible substance is called slag. Third 1 marker question, what actually means by slag? First gangue, second flux, third is slag. If the gangue is acidic, obviously उससे opposite flux डालना पड़ेगा. The flux is basic in nature and vice versa. अगर gangue basic हुआ तो flux जो होगा वो acidic होगा. For acidic कौन कौन से flux? Most important MCQ. Acidic flux कौन कौन से है? SiO2 and P2O5. And basic flux कौन से है? तो that is CaO and MgO. So that is CaO plus SiO2, you get CaSiO3. Flux plus gangue is equal to slag. So this is all about your terminologies. What actually means by flux, what actually means by gangue, what actually means by slag. Next topic is all about extraction of copper. The important ore of copper are copper pyrite, cuprite, copper glands, copper pyrite. That is Cu2O is cuprite, copper glands is Cu2S, and copper pyrite is CuFeS2. The sulfide ore are concentrated by the flotation processes and is roasted to get the oxide. That is 2 Cu2S plus 3 O2 plus 2 Cu2O gives Cu2O plus SO2. The roasted ore is heat into this reverberatory furnaces after mixing with the silica that is used as a flux. Here the iron oxide, that is gangue, combined with silica to form the iron silicate, and copper is produced in this form that is called as copper matte. Copper matte is all about Cu2S and FeS. Competitive में बहुत बार पूछा हुआ question. What is the composition of copper matte? That is called as Cu2S and FeS. Once again FeO plus SiO2, you get FeSiO3, that is once again a slag. Copper matte is the transform into the silica line converter. Some silica is used at and hot air blast is blow to convert remaining FeS2, FeO, Cu2S, Cu2O and metallic copper. So these are the steps. First FeS plus O2, you get FeO plus SO2. Cu2S होगा तो Cu2O में convert होगा. Then here in case FeO SiO2 के साथ reaction करने के बाद बनाएगा slag, that is FeSiO3. This converted into Cu2S, converted into purest form of copper, and SO2 is released. So the solidified copper has bleached appearances due to this evolution of SO2. So that's why this is entitled as a blister copper. 1 marker question, what actually means by blister copper? The solidified copper obtained has blistered appearances due to this evolution of SO2 gas, and due to this it is entitled as blister copper. After this extraction of copper, next we moved on to this extraction of zinc and followed by extraction of aluminum. So let's start with the extraction of zinc from zinc oxide. The ore of zinc, that is called zincite, ZnO, zinc blende, that is ZnS, calamine, that is ZnCO3, etc. Zn is mainly extracted from ZnO. The reduction of ZnO is done using coke, purest form of carbon. That is ZnO plus C, approximately 673 Kelvin temperature, 400 degrees Celsius. You get Zn plus O2, means you can extract this Zn from ZnO by using coke at high temperature. Next is all about extraction of aluminium. So, aluminium is extracted by Hall-Héroult process. Direct question, write a short note on Hall-Héroult process or write a note for the extraction of aluminium. So, in this process, purified Al2O3 is mixed with Na3AlF6, that is called cryolite. Good set में पूछा हुआ question. Chemical formula of cryolite, that is Na3AlF6 or CaF2 to lower the melting point and increase this conductivity and electrolyzed. Now आपको पूछेंगे what is the role of cryolite in extraction of aluminium, or in Hall-Héroult process what is the importance of cryolite. तो cryolite का काम क्या है? Lower the melting point and increase this conductivity. The electrolysis is carried out in a carbon-lined steel vessel which act as a cathode. Graphite rod are used as an anode. During this electrolysis, Al2O3 is reduced to Al bicarbonate. This is the pictorial diagram. देखिए, here in case जो outer layer जो है वो outer layer form किया हुआ है, यहाँ से aluminium निकलेगा. This is still with this carbon lining of cathode. This is all about your graphite be used as an anode. ये सारे के सारे सीरीज में लगाए हुए by means of copper wire, negative and positive terminal. Molten Al2O3 plus Na3AlF6, that is cryolite यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. When you pass the electricity, obvious molten Al2O3 and Na3AlF6 chemically react होंगे and then finally you get aluminium, purest form of aluminium. That is 2 mole of Al2O3 plus coke or carbon, this graphite, you get aluminium plus 3 CO2 is released. The oxygen liberated at anode react with this carbon of this anode and producing CO and CO2. Chemical reactions लिखना कंपलसरी है, फिगर ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. अगर Hall-Héroult प्रोसेस पूछ रहे हैं, इक्वेशंस लिखना पड़ेगा and this 3-4 line you get 2 out of 2 marks. On cathode, Al plus 3 electron you get Al liquid. Anode पे क्या होगा? Coke means carbon or graphite plus O minus 2 you get CO plus 2 electron. C plus 2 O2 gives CO2 plus this. Either C and CO2 ये दोनों use होगा basically producing this purest form of aluminium. So this is all about your extraction process of aluminium by Hall-Héroult process. So this is all about your extraction of some metal. सबसे पहले हमने iron देखा by blast furnace, then copper, then zinc, and last is by Hall-Héroult process aluminium. Fine. So this is all about your today's session. Thank you so much.